Hi, my name is Charmaine Thompson, and this is my experiment for Bio 225 microbiology. This is for the fermentation testing. So I'm starting the beginning of my experiment. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera real quick. So as you can see, I kind of have everything already set up. I have the Dermheim tubes, I believe that's how they're pronounced, the little mini test tubes, in the alcohol, as well as my droplets. I got my 3 fermentations, the fructose, the mannitol, the glucose, and then I have the phenol red out. They've been labeled. SC is the cerventus and the E epidermis, and glucose, mannitol, and fructose, and then I have my active cultures in the back. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to light my candle, and then I will turn it back on because I can't light a candle and videotape at the same time. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open this, I'm going to sterilize it with the flame, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place half of the glucose into this tube. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this open, just like that. Go ahead and take that. I'm going to go ahead and just sterilize it with the flame. Mind you, this stuff smells. I don't know if it's supposed to smell, but it smells. Okay. Go ahead and hold my cap there. So I'm going to go ahead and add half of this into here and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and re-sterilize my tip. And then go ahead and lid it on. You can see I put the glucose in there, so just 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat that process with all 6 vials, alternating between the glucose, the fructose, and the mannitol. Then I'm gonna place all 6 of them are gonna have the Dermheim tubes in them, and then I'll place the active culture in that. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and mix my different powders with the different vials, and then from there I'll show you guys the Dermheim tubes as well as placing the active cultures back into the tubes. Hi, so I'm back. So I took out my Dermheim tubes. I've gotten them to dry completely, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place 1 tube in each of the phenol vials, and then once I do that, I'm going to take my active cultures and I'm going to place 4 drops in each of the vials into their corresponding vial, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around the camera. So we're going to start with the glucose. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to open the lid again, just like that. Like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place the Dermheim tubes in them. Give me just 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I put all of the tubes inside here, which, mind you, was like the hardest part of the whole entire experiment, trying to get the air out of those little tubes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start off with the C. cerventus, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab the corresponding vials. This one is the glucose. This one is the mannitol. And this one is the fructose. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open this one first. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sterilize this tip with the flame. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shake dry one of these pipettes that I already have right here. Let me first start with the glucose. Let me go ahead and open this and then sterilize this cap as well. Just okay. Let me go ahead and shake dry one of these pipettes. Okay, so now I'm going to add 4 drops of the active culture into this first vial, which is the glucose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process with all 5 of the other vials. Then I'm going to place my incubation period, and we'll be back in 24 hours. Bye!